fix PlayStation app not loading. So to fix a PlayStation app that won't load on your phone, you can start by checking if PlayStation network servers are down via down detector, or just restart your phone to clear temporary system glitches. Now the next what you can do is scroll down the control center from the top of your screen, then toggle your Wi-Fi or mobile data, or restart your internet router. Now the next what you can do is, if you are on Android device, go to settings, then find apps, and then find PlayStation app, then go to its stories, then tap clear cache. Now if you are an iOS device, what you have to do is offload or delete the app completely. Now to offload the app, go to settings, then go to general. Now tap on iPhone storage. Now find PlayStation from the list, or you can just simply tap on the search bar at the bottom, then search for PlayStation. Now tap upload app, then tap upload app one more time to confirm it. Once you do that, you will see the reinstall app button right here. Tap on reinstall app, or just go to your Apple App Store, find the Play Store, and then reinstall it from there. Now the next what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the PlayStation app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.